Funny how we kept going, just to end up sitting still. I used to think the good life was waiting somewhere far, at the end of one more long road, under some brighter star. Now the evening leans around us, slow and golden wide, and everything I ran toward is resting by my side. These old steps, this open sky, this quiet wooden chair, turns out all I ever needed was already here. Not every dream was late, some were taking their time. Not every blessing called out loud, some just walked in with the light. Maybe we were never falling behind, maybe we were learning how to stay. Maybe all the love we carried for so long was lighting up these quiet days. Love gets quieter, not smaller. Time gets tender, line by line, and the life we almost thought we missed was sitting with us this whole time.